This is a civil danger warning. The following message is being broadcast at the request of the United States Air Force Space Command. This alert is effective in the District of Columbia until 12 p.m. today. Multiple nuclear warheads have been launched at the District of Columbia with an estimated impact time of 30 minutes. If you are in a 400-mile radius, please evacuate immediately. Local information will be transmitted shortly. This is an administrative message requested by local law enforcement. This area is deemed safe due to the distance from the blast radius. Do not participate in any emergency action at this time. News stations will continue to broadcast information about this emergency. Leave your device on or use a handheld radio for updates. Thank you for your time.